Today we're going to review the 3D printer filament connector. I found it in Amazon. My name is Bashar and this stock 3D printing. Okay, before I open the box, I just let you know I bought it from Amazon. I will leave the link below. And also this review, it's not paid. I pay from my pocket for this product. And as I mentioned in the beginning, this is from Amazon. It's supposed to connect two filaments together, and there's no money exchange for this review. Then let's see what's inside the box first. Look at this. Wow, this is the most fancy cutter I see it. That's cool. Okay, this is here. Manual, power supply, and the most important part. Okay, I think. And it seems I think this is kind of simple. Oh, you put the two filament here, should be spliced. Then okay, let's try it now. I will it's really strong. Like this, my first impression. It's really strong and it's the mold, but this part seem like print. And yeah, let's see what's how this thing work. Okay, now I read the manual. It's look very simple. It should be for 2 to 3 minutes to warm it up. Once it's warm, you bring the two filament. Now I'm gonna use those two filament. I'm gonna try to connect them. They're both PLA, and I'm gonna try to print some with them. But base of it, like once this thing's warm, get very hot, it should be take 2 to 3 minutes, and after that you only gonna put them like in the middle base of what they're seeing, like this. And let's use the second one. Yeah, I can smell it now. It's like I can smell the heat. Oops. Okay, let's give it a try again. Okay, they're both melt. Think I'm doing something wrong. Let's cut it and try again. I try again with that green and want to change it to white and red filament, and hopefully this is gonna work this time. Let's see. Slowly. Okay, look at this, nice. Let me bend it a little bit. Okay, we back again after multiple try to see if I have success with this connector. Now, I was good to go with the red and white, blue and white, and one thing I'm so proud of it, it's the red, green, and black. Those three different filament, I connect them together. When it's come to print all these stuff, they're all was easy. The most important thing for me to have success printer, and there is nothing get clog or anything, to use those one and clean the edges for when it's the actual piece to connect with that two filament. With those all come out very beautiful, I have no problem. But I remember there is a different color. I splice it or I connect it, but it's break when I'm try to put it in the printer. That's why you prepare anytime those fusion or when you connect those two filament broke easy. Now those three come out very beautiful. I have no problem when they come print. And as an idea or fusion or to connect two filament, yes, it's work. They have no problem. But there is some things you need to be aware if you're planning to buy it. First of all, it's not easy task. It's not like gonna take you 5 minutes and you're good to go, because it took me multiple time. I remember especially with the 3 colors, and I remember with the blue, it took me 3 times also. The red one also took me like 2 to 3 times to success and connect them together. I think the most thing I learned is do not leave it for a long time to heat. Once it's hit like this is get hot, you put the 2 filament from the both side and leave it for less than 2 minutes and turn it off and leave it to cold. Take too much to cold. Like I left it for each try like 10-15 minutes to cool down, and after that use this to clean the edges. And that's what I succeed before, like base of their structure it doesn't work. Like this is 2 minutes and after that leave it for 5 minutes is way too much, and I never have success with their way. I did it this way, it's work. The another thing I was wishing this piece here is see-through, like clear. I can see what's going on here, because what you need to do is to push the filament from this side until the middle and this one until the middle, and maybe you push one of them up and down. But in this way I cannot see or know which exactly my filament, it's in the middle or in the end. That was I struggle. The funny part is in the manual it show up see through, you can see it here, but my things I ordered from Amazon show up like this. Now, did I recommend this thing for anyone? It's like something I considered essential to have it when you have a 3D printing. Definitely no. It's an optional, and it's like not really important to have it, because those small pieces usually I use them for testing, or when I'm testing a new models or I'm trying to clean, I use those leftover filament. But if you want something fusion to fiber, or to filament, or you want to connect 2 filament together, you can use it and it really will work, but it's not going to be easy process. In the end, this is my review for today. If you like it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and turn on notification to see the newest videos coming soon. And as usually, please keep printing.